Once, one of the follower of Buddha asked him that Buddha, how to make our mind peaceful, how to calm our mind. Buddha said, I will answer your question very soon. After a few days, Buddha was traveling along with his followers. They reached near a place. Buddha said that let's take a rest here and send one of his followers to bring water from the nearby river. When the follower reached there, he saw that there were many people taking bath in the water. The villagers, it was morning time, and many villagers were taking bath. All his animals were jumping here and there. People were washing their clothes. Children were playing, and because of that, the water was muddy. The water was not clean, so it was not drinkable. Follower returned back and said that the water is not good. You cannot drink it. We need to do something else. Buddha said, okay, no problem, leave it. After few hours, 1 or 2 hours, he told again to that follower, go and bring the water from the same place. That follower went there. Now he saw that it's afternoon, and because of that, there is no one there, and all the muds and everything has sat below, and the water is clean, it's drinkable. The follower took the water, came back to Buddha, and gave him the water. Buddha said, now this is the answer for your question, how to calm down your mind, how to control your mind. This is the way to calm down your mind. You don't need to do anything. You just need to leave it. Leave it as it is and keep watching it. Keep waiting. Just like the water, it was muddy, it was not clear, and we waited and it became clean. We just waited, we didn't do anything, we just waited, we watched and waited, and water became clean. In the same way, if you want to calm down your mind, you need to wait patiently and you need to watch it and it will become calm. The follower became very happy, he got the answer in the real way, in authentic way, with the example. Now it completely goes in his mind where he will not forget it. So Buddha is known for giving answers with examples so that people don't forget. If he simply says that watch your mind, people will not do it. But when he will show with examples, people will must follow it. So the stories are very powerful of Buddhas because these are examples and these examples provide mind strong reasons to do something. So the learning from the story is that if you want to calm down your mind, then you need to leave it as it is, wait and watch. That's it. It will calm down and then the reality will appear very, very soon as you keep on doing it, as you are persistent on the path.